guys, we're going to be taking a look at these solar lights today. So these are outdoor solar lights. They charge off of the sun, which is super cool. So you don't have to worry about putting batteries in them or anything. So there is the user manual. Super short, sweet, to the point. So it tells us that there is a working mode, which is light control. Let's see on the back of function. At sunrise, they will power on automatically, power off and charge the battery. Or at sunset, they will power on automatically. At sunrise, power on and charge battery. There for a second, I was like, oh, I read that wrong. These look really cool. Let me see if I can actually, oh. There we go. Oh, that's cool. Very minimalist. I like that a lot. And it's got the 2 holes for a screw. Got your on-off switch. Let's see, how does the on-off switch work? Let's see. You press it in. Let's see. Over the back, and by pressing the button on the back. So yeah, you press it in. So it takes a little bit of force, it feels like. Can you use your non-nailed? There you go. Okay, cool. So it's just my nails. So that actually turns on the light, all that good stuff. So it would charge using this solar panel here, and then you've got these 2 LEDs here. So the nice part about having LED is that it's going to last a really long time. It also has them on the sides, so that's super cool. I'm really excited to install these. I think they're going to look really, really pretty. So let's see if I can actually get it to...
The switch is underneath a rubber...
It's under a rubber nub, yeah. It's my nails. They're too long. If you've got long nails, these are not the garden tool for you. No, I'm just kidding. Just make sure you have someone with you that has shorter nails. But that's super dope. It comes with how many? So then there are the 2 screws that you can use to put it, to mount it. So it comes with the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you've got a nice even number. You can use these to line your walkway. You can use these to put into like outdoor gardens, little areas that you want illuminated for maybe like a night outdoor party, things like that. So I'm really excited to get these installed and see how pretty they are after they are all charged up and all that good stuff. So yeah, these are super cool. I'm very excited to see what they look like after we install them. So we've been testing these super cool little contraptions. So we wanted to kind of show you how they work and all that good stuff. So the way that they trigger, I mentioned before, is going to be via the sun. So when the sun rises and there's light on them, they're going to be dark like this. When the sun sets and they're in total darkness, then that's when the lights are actually going to come on and be illuminated. So you can actually test that with your hand. And it shows you how like nice that light is. It's a nice cool white light. I love that. It goes with a lot of settings. It looks really nice in gardens. It being the LEDs, they last a long time, so you're not going to have to worry about replacing them. So I'm super, super excited to get these installed, and I think it's going to be really nice to not have to worry about putting, you know, batteries in them or anything like that. They're just going to charge off the sun and they turn themselves on and off again, so you don't even have to worry about switches.